Hey guys, it's time for Cousin Mel's spring tour. I wasn't able to get to her for this because I've had, a lot going on. But she did it for us. So check it out all by her little old self. Here you go.
As most of you
Okay,
know,
I'm gonna watch and see what she did.
Feeling good lately, so she's fine, but having some tests and stuff. So I just thought, well, just in case we don't get together in the next couple weeks, I will throw my Easter video on for you guys, my spring/Easter video. So I hope everyone's doing well. And as if you've seen the videos before, obviously you know this is the first room you come in, which is my old mud room, but it's kind of my sitting room.
I like the mudroom a lot.
Kind of added some carrots up there for the spring, and I had this basket hanging in my kitchen, but decided to hang it on that.
I like that basket there.
And
didn't I tell you to do that, Mel?
So these are all ideas. You know, everyone asks, where do you get your ideas? A lot of them are Instagram. A lot of them are magazines, Country Sampler, Primitive Times, different magazines like that. So my little bench, and then my pillows from, which I always hype because I love her, but she's wonderful, is Shannon at Blooming Aster Vintage. If you are looking for some
She likes her Shannon.
Pillows.
That cow's pretty cute.
She's on Etsy. You can Google her at Blooming Aster Vintage. You'll see a lot of these green sections.
You know, it's white on white and cutesy.
This
just Mel's jam.
Burnett's. I had some gift cards for my niece and nephew from Christmas. So I got
Cute, Mel.
Baskets to throw my shoes in, my boots in, my flip-flops in, so they're right near the door.
Okay.
That's kind of my little nook and cranny. I love this old house because of the fact that it has so many nooks and crannies. So
it's such a cute house.
Places to hide stuff that I buy and decorating things. So again, just a little bunny over there and my little brown eggs. Not a whole lot of Easter in this room. This room stays about the same. I usually just, in most rooms too, switch out the pillows. So there's another pillow from Shannon, the bunny butt, she calls it.
Bunny butt's cute.
And then just to make it springy, I have a little bit of a
bunny butt,
over there,
bunny
and
butt.
The bunny. So, and then greens. You're gonna see a lot of faux greens. I am not a green thumb. I am a killer. I kill all plants.
So do I.
Those green ones, I don't.
Runs in the family.
I don't do anything to them, so they work for me. It's another
fake greens, best.
Basket. I bought that basket. It's a laundry basket. I bought it at an antique place about 6 years ago, and I love it in that corner there. As soon as the weather changes and once Easter's done, I'll probably hang that heart and that bird house. I'll put those outside, but for now they're in here.
This might be better to watch on an iPad or a phone. Might be a little pixelated on your TV. Just giving you a warning.
Easter here and there. I got that cute little Happy Easter sign at Primitive Goods in Uxbridge, and just some bunnies on the top, and just to add a little spring.
Those are cute.
These faux greens, the grass.
It looks like grass that the bunnies will eat.
You'll see that in different places in the house. Like again, right there, and added that bunny there, and then that pottery is from Rusty Star.
It's a new bunny.
At Simply Piper at
Burnett
Antiques, as well as that.
Cute stuff.
Just add more. You can get different kinds of faux greens, you guys. No matter where you like, if you find a nice.
Okay, it never fails.
You can find them anywhere. But I
just
love
go away.
Greens, and then I love the bees keeps too. That kind of adds.
The bees keeps are fun.
Corner there. Then head the chair. I got this pillow. This was my splurge this week. Another Shannon pillow, and then she threw in these carrots, just a string of carrots. She does like garlands and hanging garlands and stuff, so I thought that'd be cute right behind its pillow. And I don't know, over here just my coffee station, even though you would think I'd be a big coffee drinker. Nah, I don't drink coffee, but I have tea in there. I have my vanilla chai, that's my thing. My chai, my hot chocolate. So, and then over at the window, I just have a cute little spring bird.
Oh, that's cute.
And then my Mrs. Myers, that always gives me my seasonal colors. So, just got my coppers over here with a little bit of an Easter blessing sign. And then this is Anne's favorite spot. I don't know why, but she always says it and always loves it.
I love it again.
Over here,
it
just
is.
a little bit more greenery. A little
cute.
Carrots. just like little felt carrots, I guess. I don't know, cloth carrots. Super cute.
Fun.
A lot of country stores sell them. Country Bumpkin sells them. Primitive Goods sells them. Woodstock Country Store. So, and then my old pottery with the old rolling pins in it and old wooden spoons. I don't know, I really get into the wood and
Wonder if she got spanked with that spoon.
That is that corner.
Oh, that's cute.
We have the dining room. Just little splashes of Easter here and there. A good friend gave me that for my birthday last week. And
Happy birthday, Mel.
I love those bunnies. I got those at Country Bumpkins a few years ago. I have more, but I don't know where they are. And then I usually have the birdhouse on the table as a centerpiece, but I kind of really like it over there. It looks really good, I think, with that bunny because they're both kind of the chippy white look. So just add a few greens there, and then I do a lot of things with different colored bottles. I love the colored bottles.
Cute.
Those are kind of a blue-green, but they go to get in here. Another thing that I like to do, copied from Instagram, take these old terracotta pots. They're just little terracotta pots. But I just think they look kind of cool in the locker. I use them for different spring decor in different areas. So that is that. This is about the same. And then over here, I just threw in a little bunny pillow. And then the bees keep there. That's a big
I like that.
indoor. I have a couple. I have an outdoor one and an indoor one. So that little corner there. And then that is just an old, I've got an old egg crate, metal egg crate, and then just a wooden toolbox. Just threw a few knickknacks in it, a little sign in front of it.
Vignettes.
And then a little chick on the top.
Lots of vignettes.
Now we hit
Chicky.
room. Hopefully Ann and I can do a video together because we're always so much more fun. This is pretty boring. But anyway, just
We are doing it together, Mel. You just don't know it. Look how my hair broke from my sunglasses.
Over there. And again, as you guys, if you follow us, you know I love to do the birdhouses. So
She does.
Birdhouses in every room of my house. But I just feel like it adds a little bit of spring outdoors into the indoors. I guess that's what I like to do. I like to bring the outdoors indoors.
Yeah, because we can't go outdoors quite yet.
And then over here, I just have my
That's a
little
cute
greens
bunny.
again with eggs, steak eggs. My nephew came over a couple weeks ago, and he's like, I'm like, no, don't throw those. They're solid, like as a rock. I'm like, do not throw those. I have snowballs in the winters. We can throw those around. So I think he thought my eggs were throwable. No,
You need Nerf eggs.
So my bunny, and then my cute little window sitting area there. I love it. There's my bird feeder. Watch the traffic go by and the birds. And then there's my couch. Just got a little bit of a white, I don't know, the Jack in the Pulpits, I think. I don't know, my mom loved those. It's fake, obviously, because that's how I roll. But then another cute little bunny pillow. She is so talented, that Shannon. I just love her pillows. They just add so much to my house. And then I just threw a little bunny in
They do.
tin or the basket right there. Oh, and there's another bunny. More greens. Can you feel a theme here, peeps? Can you feel a theme going on? That's me. I kind of copied myself a lot.
She copies herself.
Since the last time you guys saw this, I changed, shockingly enough, the pillows out. Actually, the floor has been blue since I moved here 7 years ago. And it dawned on me that maybe I should buy blue pillows.
Oh.
So I got these at Target. Got this throw at Target to cover the chaise.
Oh,
Love that.
yeah.
So a little bunny on there. And my sit, relax, and gossip porch sign that one of my friends gave me because they come here and hang out, and that's what we do. Well, we don't gossip.
Yes, you do. Yes,
But
we do.
Just another little sitting area. And that's, again, some greens. I love these blue pillows. I kind of mixed and matched the blues because they're not exactly the same blue, but far apart, they're pretty close. And over there,
I like the blue floral, Mel.
with again a birdhouse. And then I added those white bunnies.
I like that house.
I love those. I got those at Primitive Goods.
Cute bunnies.
Those kind of all look good together. And then this tin, I just love this tin. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because it says Dutch boy on it, but I just love the yellow on it. I just love the tin. So, and then quick little jaunt into the rooms. Here's my bedroom. not too much has changed in here. Just the pillows again. Switched them out. I love these round pillows. Those are magnolias, so those are kind of cool. Not
They're fun.
the same.
Hi, Val.
Yep. The room is about the same, and then this little hallway area. Just threw a little bunny on with my lady there, and threw a couple bunnies onto this table, and then added little tiny houses. So that kind of gives it again, bringing the outdoors in. And then the guest room. And that is pretty much the same again, adding more greens. Again, the theme. Over here, I've got a cute little bunny that I put on there.
I see bunnies, birdhouses, and fake greens.
That gives that a touch of spring right in that corner.
That's what's going on.
And then this sign used to be in my living room because I thought, oh, make yourself at home. But then I found another one for the living room, and I thought this is a great one for the guest room.
It's a good size.
So there's the guest bed.
Good.
And another little bunny.
Oh, I like that one.
Like Peter Cottontail, get it? Yeah.
Peter Cottontail.
And this
Clever, Mel, clever.
and the pillows, these are actually my Valentine's Day pillows, but I love the look of them. I love how pretty they are.
What are you going to do when you see me talking on your video?
My bathroom.
You're going to whack me.
Like the little chick in there, so I am seasonal.
Oh, you decorated your
And I
bathroom.
love these old bottles. I don't know.
Wait a minute. You changed your shower curtain out.
Great look of them.
She did. She changed her shower curtain.
And I actually did get a new shower curtain. I don't know if you remember the last time I had a blue and white one, and it just screamed every time you walked by. So I went white. I like it. Don't look too close. It's very wrinkled, but I'm not going to iron it. I thought maybe it would go out in the steam of the bathroom, but it didn't.
It
So
will.
anyway, that is it, you guys. So anyway, hope you guys are all doing well. I hope to do a video with Anne, but just in case I don't, just wanted to get on here and say hi to you guys, and happy spring.
Happy spring, Mel Mel. Love you. Thanks, everyone, for watching.